This is election season. This is also defection season. If you're confused about which leader belongs to which party, don't kick yourself. They're switching parties before you can say switch. The latest one is Shotgun. Shatrughan Sinha. What's up with him? He's joining the Congress, but it seems the Congress cannot even get an induction right. There was strong speculation that the former BJP leader will join the Congress party today. But what was supposed to be an induction ceremony turned into a meet and greet with Rahul Gandhi. Shatrughan Sinha has been a two-time BJP MP. He's a sitting MP from Patna Sahib in Bihar, but he has been sidelined by that party. They're fielding Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad from his constituency now. After much confusion, Shatrughan Sinha appeared before the media today. He confirmed that he will join the Congress party. So what's he waiting for? Divine intervention. This is what the actor turned politician said.
कांग्रेस पार्टी में शामिल होंगे। अब कांग्रेस पार्टी में शामिल होंगे, लेकिन एक इतना बड़ा काम हो रहा है, इतना शुभ काम हो रहा है, तो इस शुभ काम के लिए मैं समझता हूँ सबसे शुभ दिवस जो आ रहा है वो है नवरात्रि की बात हो रही है। नवरात्रि सबसे शुभ दिवस है, इसलिए हम समझते हैं हम नवरात्रि में जल्द से जल्द आपको बहुत अच्छी, सार्थक, पॉजिटिव खबर देंगे।
Leaving nothing to chance, is he? What explains this confusion, though? The Congress-RJD alliance, the alliance talks, have hit a dead end in Bihar. They cannot finalize the list of candidates. We've heard the story before in other states. Attempts are underway to break the deadlock. Shatrughan Sinha will be central to the Bihar strategy of the Congress party, but he is not open to any negotiation. No two ways about his seat, he says. He will contest from Patna Sahib.
देखिए, ये हम कई बार कह चुके हैं, इन लोगों के सहयोग से, इन लोगों की मर्जी से और अपनी आत्मा की आवाज रही है कि सिचुएशन कुछ भी हो, लोकेशन वही होगा। पटना, बाकी सब खामोश।
Right. The situation may change, the location will not. All the best to him. And with this, Shatrughan Sinha has joined a long list of defectors this month. Jaya Prada switched from the Samajwadi Party to the BJP. She began her political career with the Telugu Desam Party in 1994. This is a third political party. Tom Vadakkan, Congress loyalist, shocked everyone by joining the BJP earlier this month. Former TMC strongman Arjun Singh is also now with the BJP. After leaving the BJD, the Biju Janata Dal, Jay Panda too has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP. The Saffron Party has lost many big names too, notably in the Northeast, as I just mentioned. It's a game of musical chairs this election.